day, I'm Vincent Agregado from 150 AFSMDIT, and I will discuss the effect of globalization in economy and religion.
Globalization boosts economic growth through market opening, international trade, and capital flow, with multinational corporations playing a crucial role. However, it also poses challenges like competition, job losses, income inequality, resources exploitation, environmental degradation, and cultural identity impacts. Globalization's effect on religion are diverse. Positively, it can foster interfaith dialogue along for the exchanging of religious ideas and practices on the global scale. Increased connectivity has facilitated communication among religious communities, contributing to a more interconnected world where people can learn about and appreciate different faiths.